Hi, Beth Ridley here. The next topic I'm excited to partner with you on is about bridging across generational gaps at work. I'll facilitate a workshop to explore how to enhance communication and collaboration from boomers to zoomers. I love this topic because let's be honest, our workplace is a melting pot of different generations, each bringing their own unique experiences and perspectives to the table, which is very exciting and energizing. But sometimes these differences can cause frustration and friction. So, for example, why do boomers think everything has to be in person? Why are Gen Xers so skeptical? Why are millennials always seeking feedback? And what on earth are Gen Zers wearing to work? These are just some of the stereotypes we'll discuss and bust to understand better what makes each generation tick, as well as the positive contributions of each generation at work. With interactive polls and discussions, we'll explore preferences across generations regarding work values and communication styles. And most importantly, you'll leave with practical tips to understand and connect with colleagues across all ages, making your teams even more cohesive and collaboration. This will be a fun workshop.